SIP, Sterilize-in-Place, and CIP, Clean-in-Place, are critical in industries like pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and beverage manufacturing, where hygiene and contamination is vital. CIP cleans internal equipment surfaces without disassembly, while SIP uses steam or hot water to sterilize them. These automated processes ensure sanitation, prevent contamination, and boost efficiency by reducing downtime and human error. The app that you see here was built on IRIS Foundry. Behind the scenes, CI/CD and processing pipelines pull in data from different data sources like ERP, Historian, etc. into the IRIS Foundry data lake. And what you see here is a real-time monitoring interface for the CPCIP process in a beverage plant. It presents the current cycle step, its status, and a summary of progress through the overall cleaning and sterilization routine. Alongside this, the screen provides live data on vital parameters like temperature, flow rate, concentration, and conductivity, allowing operators to assess whether each step is meeting expected process targets. Indicators like system status, cycle adherence, and completed steps help supervisors ensure the procedure remains on track and within compliance. Additionally, the dashboard breaks down each cycle step, indicating what type of process is being carried out, its standard duration, the actual time taken, and whether it has been completed or is still in progress. The granular level of detail offers traceability and control, making it easier to identify any deviations or inefficiencies. Now, when I go to the Performance Analytics section of the SIP-CIP monitoring, it offers a summary of key metrics over time. In a CIP-CIP process, maintaining stable conditions such as temperature, flow rate, etc. is essential for ensuring the effectiveness and safety of cleaning and sterilization. This view allows operators and engineers to track how these parameters behave throughout the process cycle. As you can see, the temperature graph shows how heat levels have changed over time, which is crucial for sterilization effectiveness. Similarly, the flow rate graph illustrates how consistently cleaning or sterilizing solutions are being circulated through the system. The conductivity chart helps assess the presence of cleaning agents or rinse water, etc. By monitoring these trends, the plant team can detect issues such as premature cooling, insufficient flow, or ineffective rinsing, which could compromise product quality or process compliance. The use of real-time scatter plots helps in spotting outliers or irregularities quickly. This analytics view acts as an early warning system and a diagnostic tool, supporting continuous improvement and quality assurance in automated cleaning operations. The historical run data screen provides a comprehensive log of previous SIP-CIP cycles, enabling traceability and performance review over time. This historical insight helps plant managers and quality teams analyze trends, identify anomalies, and benchmark performance across different runs. Golden Run Screen provides operators with a quick, visual summary of how current operations align with ideal process standards, using clear indicators, statuses, and actionable insights. The key benefit to the operator is the ability to instantly identify areas that are performing well, need attention, or are out of spec, enabling faster decision-making and reducing downtime. Finally, the FDA compliance screen functions as a compliance monitoring and reporting hub. It allows operators to track regulatory readiness, view recent process deviations, monitor system status, and manage audit preparation in one place. It also enables quick access to daily and monthly compliance reports, with tools to generate custom reports. As you can see, SymphonyAI IRIS Foundry brings data from various systems into one unified platform, allowing for real-time monitoring and simplified compliance reporting. With intuitive dashboards and automated insights, it empowers operators to spot issues early and stay audit-ready with ease.